Here's a quick video on how to replace the elastic for your mask. What I have here is a child size mask, one of the small child size masks, and this is the upper elastic. I've just secured it with a zigzag stitch on one side, and I have a short end leading off of the mask. So this is a surgeon's knot, and you're just going to bring it under and bring it under again. Then pull it through, make it tight. And tie it again. It's really important that you do it just like this. I've tested it the other way with having the long end coming off of the mask, and it untied itself with tension coming from this way. So you want to make sure you have the short end coming off the mask first. After you tie it, the short end will be directing in toward the mask. You won't be able to see it when you wear the mask. So that is the surgeon's knot to secure the first top side, and next we will do the slip knot so that you can make yourself an adjustable mask. So now I have the other end. Zigzag stitches overlapped, but you can easily move the elastic through. That's important. Make sure you can do that. My elastic is nice and flat all the way across. And now for our slip knot. So your short end will go up, down, and there's that loop right there. Go over, through that loop, through that loop again, and pull. After you pull that, you'll be able to move your knot along your mask elastic, so you can make it as long or as short as your elastic limits let you do that.